You want your candy?
That's a yummy one. Don't bite it, just suck it.
Audrey, come here. What is it? What's in your mouth?
I don't know.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Put it in your mouth. Do you not like it?
Is it good?
Nope.
What does it taste like?
Keep it.
Does it taste good?
Nah.
No.
You put it in your mouth?
Nope.
You eat it. It's treat. Is it a treat?
Yeah.
Oh, Does Daddy have it?
Go give it to Daddy.
It's mine.
Don't give it to Beckham.
Do you think Beckham would like it?
No. You want it? No? Beckham could choke on it.
It's true. You could let Beckham lick it.
Beckham.
Let Beckham lick it.
Beckham, stick it.
Okay, let Beckham suck on it.
And my turn. My turn. My turn. My turn. My turn. Beckham's turn.
He doesn't have any taste buds.
Do you like it?